Hi everyone, this is Zara from Zarabakes. Today we'll be making almond macaroon cake. Everyone thinks it's so hard to achieve the texture of macaroon, but I will show you an easy way of making it. Here are the ingredients. For the almond layers, you'll need 4 egg whites, 2/3 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of almond extract, and 1 2/3 cups of almond flour. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start our almond layers. In a mixer bowl, slowly add the sugar to the egg whites until they form stiff peaks. Mix in the almond flavor, very carefully add the almond flour into the egg whites. It's better to use a spatula at this time. It's important to keep the air in the egg white so they bake stiff and not soft. Use a piping bag to transfer the almond paste into the parchment paper. Divide equally onto 2 parchment circles. Spread it out evenly. Bake the almond macaroon layers for 20 to 25 minutes. When baked, remove the layers and cool completely. Now let's make our filling. The ingredients are 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup and plus 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 teaspoons of almond flavoring, 150 grams of room temperature butter. Combine sugar and heavy cream in a saucepan. Cook it until the sugar dissolves completely. In the meantime, beat the egg yolks in the mixer bowl for 2 to 3 minutes. Add a little of your hot, heavy cream mixture into the egg yolks, but don't pour the whole thing at once to avoid getting the eggs scrambled. When the hot mixture is completely mixed with the egg yolks, pour it back into the saucepan and put it back on the stove. Cook it until it's a thick mixture. When it's ready, move it to a smaller bowl, cover with saran wrap, and keep it in the refrigerator until completely cooled down. Let's remove the parchment paper from the back of the macaroon layers. Beat your butter until it's creamy white and slowly add the cooled down egg mixture from the refrigerator. You can also add any flavoring of your choice at this point. Now let's get ready to assemble our cake. Spread the filling on the cake layer and put the second layer on top of it. Cover the sides and the top with more filling. Decorate the sides with roasted and raw ground almonds and blanched almonds on top. Refrigerate the cake at least for 5 to 6 hours. Hope you love this cake as much as I do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unique recipes.